Let's start with the concept of site and situation. The first part of this concept is site, which refers to the physical characteristics of a city's exact location. This includes things like access to water, elevation, soil quality, natural resources, and climate. For example, ancient cities often formed near rivers because water was essential for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. A flat area with fertile land could support agriculture and larger populations. Even today, cities like Cairo on the Nile and Paris on the Seine reflect the importance of site in city formation. The second part of this concept is situation, which describes a city's location relative to other places, including its connectivity to trade routes or other cities. A city with a good situation might sit at a crossroads of trade or between two major regions. Cities with access to oceans, railroads, or highways tend to grow faster and attract more investment. For instance, New York City grew rapidly because of its situation as the major American seaport for trade between Europe and North America. My students often struggle with the difference between these two concepts. So let's have a look at the example from this lesson's free response question in the FRQ Mastery Playbook. It shows Cape Town, a major city in South Africa. This city's growth was influenced by both its site, such as its safe harbor and access to fresh water, and its situation, because it's a choke point for trade between Western Europe and Asia. To recap, site refers to the physical characteristics of the city itself, such as its climate and farmland. Situation refers to the relative position of the city to other important locations, such as the distance to trading partners or position along trade routes. A strong site can attract early settlement, but a good situation is often what allows a city to expand and remain important over time. Together, site and situation explain much of a city's long-term success. Okay, now I want to give you two things to help prep you for the exam. First is a checklist that goes over everything you need to know for AP Human Geography really fast. Read through it and highlight anything you don't know yet for further study. Second, I'll send you some free response practice questions so you can get some exam-style practice. You can grab both from the link in the description. This video has been a snippet from my full 5-hour course review that'll get you exam ready. Click the video on the screen to watch the whole thing.